Here it comes.
Take a video from in
2,
here.
1.
Here comes the trade.
0. Let's try it again. 3, 2, 1.
Are you gonna take a slow shot too?
No, just video. Here it comes.
And
Did you wave?
Yeah,
Did you wave back?
yeah.
whoa!
4 engines. 1,
Wow,
2,
that's a lot.
3,
We're
4,
never gonna cross here. It's
5,
this is an infinity train.
6,
What's that, dear?
7, 8.
9.
So is this carrying salt?
Yeah,
What do you
Where's
mean?
it gonna go?
all over.
Employee Northwestern owned?
I'm getting dizzy watching the move. Should I stop doing that?
So what's GNWR?
20. I don't know. 22. 3,
I'm getting really dizzy.
4,
Stop.
5.
Fast face.
That's graffiti.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I feel dizzy.
Shh, be quiet.
Man, that's a lot.
Norfolk and Western.
Mm-hmm.
I'm getting dizzy. Should I
Close
stop?
your eyes. Yes, stop counting.
I'm not counting. I'm just looking at it. Why is this train so long?
Because he's got a lot of cars that are loaded with salt.
He's gonna.
He's got a big load.
He's
Oh,
gonna.
honey, I called our house earlier. Nobody called.
He's
Nobody
gonna-
loves us except each other.
75 cars.
He's gonna give away a lot of salt.
Okay, let's go, please.
Fine, sir.
75 cars.
Come on,
Come on, Mr.
75
Trissy.
cars.